This is pretty bad. Hello guys. So today is Saturday. Christmas is Wednesday, so it's kind of messy, but I wanted to film a Christmas vlog. So I'm starting a new vlog today so I can finish on Christmas Day. Yeah, I just got back from the mall because my mom wanted to go there. I had a matcha at the coffee shop and I kept waiting for her to finish her shopping. Anyways, today is gonna be a busy day, so I just wanted to finish the video and I really need to start cleaning the house because it's like 1 p.m. I guess, and I didn't do anything. At 6 p.m. I'm going to kind of a Christmas with my cousins, so I have to be free until then, and I wanted to bake a brownie. So yeah, I have a lot of things to do and I need to do it fast because I have basically just, oh my gosh, I have 5 hours to do everything that I have to do. So yeah, that's why I'm here and I'm finishing this video now. I hope you had a great Christmas and I hope you have a nice new year. We see in 2025. Okay. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next one. Bye.